Do you know you can send automatic WhatsApp message to friends, family, well-wishers, and even customers in one click? Do you also know you can extract all group contacts using this same application? In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to send message to all your WhatsApp contacts in one click. But before we proceed, kindly subscribe to my channel. Subscription is absolutely free. Like and share this video. Drop a comment in the comment section below if you like this video. Note that I will not be liable if your number is banned from WhatsApp. This video is for educational purpose. Kindly read WhatsApp community guidelines before you install this app. Alright, now you have to install this app to your phone. Just click on the app. Click on install. And once the installation is successful, you just open the app, right? Okay, this is the app. You just open it. And we are right on the interface. Basically, this app has been unlocked, so you can use it as premium. Okay, now the first thing you want to do here once you open the app is to click on the login now. All right, for me, I already created an account, so I will click on login with email. Then if you don't already have an account, you click on register now, but I'm not going to do that because I already have an account, so I will just use I will register or I will just log in. Alright, so I just logged in. What we are going to be focusing here is the bulk sending area, so I just click on the bulk, click on the start bulk messages campaign, bulk message campaign. You click on the start bulk message campaign to take you to this very page where you can see select contact, create message, and you can also select an image if you want to add an image to this message. Then you see where you select your WhatsApp, whether you want to use business WhatsApp or you want to use the normal WhatsApp to send message. So here we're going to select contacts that we want to message. Okay, select WhatsApp contact. Now it will automatically select all the contacts on your list. Okay, all right, now that all our contacts have been selected and imported, you just click on this on the top right of this app to select all. Okay, then you now say select contact. Okay, you can see we have 8,288 contacts. So next we want to click on select. All right, you can now create the message you want to send. Let's say seasons greeting. Seasons greetings. Okay, all right, so we now have a contact list and a message that you want to send. So next you want to select the WhatsApp that you want to use. So I'm just going to leave it at the normal WhatsApp. Okay, and click next, then allow. You need to do some accessibility setup here. Scroll down to the tool. Okay, the warped tool, click on it, then allow this, then go back. Okay, allow this. So you have to also enable display over other apps. Okay, all right, go back to scroll down to the app again, what's to, so you just allow this display over other apps. All right, now you can see the auto sending mode is enabled. So the next thing you want to do here is to click on start sending. Okay, you just click on start sending, and it will automatically start sending message to all contacts. Okay, let me just open this. Right, you have to make sure when you are doing the auto sending, you have to open your WhatsApp. Okay, so it has started sending. Says a greeting automatically, so that's how it works. All right, on to the next one. So I'm just going to stop you right there. Okay, you can continue sending to all your contacts, as many numbers that you have. Okay, and another thing you can do with this very app is you can also extract all contacts from WhatsApp group. Okay, and how do you do that? You click on Start Balk Campaign, then you click on Select, you go to Extract WhatsApp Contact, Start Now. Okay, so you will now go to a group that you have joined earlier, any of the group, you just click on the group, then click on Info, go to the Info, the group Info, then you view all contacts. Okay, now you just have to scroll down to actually extract all the numbers in this very group. Okay, once you have done that, you just go back to the app again. Right, when you go to the app, you can see 545 contacts imported from that very group that you have joined earlier. Okay, so you just have to save this for further use or for future use. So whenever you want to send message to this group contacts, you just clear this. Okay, now select from imported, then you select this. All right, click select. All right, you can see you can now start sending to the group numbers that you just imported. Okay, so if you click this, for example, and start sending, you can see it has started sending automatically. I'm going to stop this as well. All right, I'm just going to stop this. So basically that is how you use this app. If you have any question, you can drop a comment in the comment section below, and this app, link to download this app is in the description below. Like and share this video with friends for this season, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video.